Hello and welcome students. In this module we will learn about the sugar industry in India. So let's start. So here we have some facts that India is the world's second largest producer of sugar after Brazil. So all of us know that Brazil is the largest producer of sugar in the world, and then comes India. So there are 500 installed sugar factories in India, and this is the data of 2004. The industry employs more than 3.2 lakhs of people, and the sugar belt is confined mostly to UP and Bihar. These states have ideal condition for the growth of sugarcane and sugar beet. So more than 60% of sugar factories are located in this belt which is confined in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Important centers are Gorakhpur, Lakhimpur, Sitapur, Lucknow, Kanpur and Meerut. So all these centers are in UP. And in Bihar, the important centers are Champaran, Darbhanga and Muzaffarpur. So these are the important facts about sugar industry in India. Now students, before we learn more, we should know the stages of sugar production. We should be aware how sugar is produced. So first step is extraction of the juice, clarification of the juice next, and then concentration and crystallization. So this juice is then transformed into crystal by after boiling. So it is boiled and then it is made to concentrate, means it becomes thick and then it crystallizes. And then the crystals are separated and the sugar is refined, it is given shape, and then recovery of the byproducts like molasses and bagasse. So look at this. This is again a chart showing you how sugarcane is washed, milling, and then juice is extracted, juice is clarified juice is evaporated, it becomes a syrup, thick syrup. Then cooking and centrifugation, drying, and then sugar. It is refined and sugar is formed. The juice must be preparing, and then after it is must to prepare the juice, and then it's fermented. Wine is made, centrifugation and distillation leads to anhydrous ethanol is also produced. So like this, the sugarcane is used and the juice is extracted, and then sugar is formed, and even other products are also formed. So there are several byproducts also of the sugar industry. Now this is the first where the sugar cane is used to make sugar. So you can see the first step from the sugarcane juice is extracted by crushing, and then it's purified, then it is melting and filtering remove the impurities, then crystallization, and then finally drying them into sugar crystals, and finally it is packed for the market. And similarly, the second picture is showing you the sugar beet processing by which we prepare sugar. Students, we will learn about the main reasons for the concentration of sugar industry in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So before explaining you the process of sugar preparation of the sugar in the industry, I told you that UP and Bihar in India has a maximum concentration of sugar industry. So let's know the reasons. The first one is fertile northern plain with heavy rainfall. Level topography means the land is plain, level topography, and irrigation facilities are supported by perennial rivers. Rivers that have water throughout the year, they support irrigation facility. So sugarcane can be grown and it can be processed to make sugar. Water supply for washing and processing is available, and coal mines are located nearby, means close to Bihar and Jharkhand. Rather in Bihar and Jharkhand only there are a lot of coal that is existing, mostly in Jharkhand, and this facilitates the sugar industry in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. In recent years, sugar industry has the tendency to migrate towards south, since the sugarcane produced there has higher sugar content. Now students, this is an important fact that in the beginning sugar industry is developed in UP and Bihar, but now it is moving even to the other parts of the country, especially towards South India. This is because the sugar produced in South India has high sugar content. The juice which is extracted has high sugar content. Other sugar producing states in India are Haryana, West Bengal, Punjab and Madhya Pradesh. So apart from UP and Bihar, now the production of sugar and the industries have started developing in even other states of India. Peninsular India accounts for 45% of sugar produced in India, and 1/5 of the sugar produced in India comes from Maharashtra. So this is the recent development where sugar industry is no more only concentrated to UP and Bihar, but it is even developing in other parts of the country. In South India, important sugar producing states are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So these states have developed in South India. They have come up as major sugar producing regions of the country. Now, reasons for migration of sugar industry towards south. So first, students, we have learnt why the sugar industries are concentrated in UP and Bihar. Now we will learn why these industries are even migrating towards south and other parts of the country. First, production period is longer in South India since typical tropical climate prevails over South India throughout the year. So this encourages the growth of sugarcane for a longer period of time and more sugar can be produced. Black soil of South India is fertile, well drained and free from waterlogging. And the sucrose content in the sugarcane in South India is also comparatively higher. That helps in production of more sugar. So more sugar, more profit. Now, the fourth reason is that the crushing season for sugarcane is much longer because in South India the summers are much longer and even throughout the year it is not very cold. The cooperative sugar mills in South India are better managed than the private sector mills in North India. So this is an added advantage where the cooperative sugar mills are much better and well managed than the private sector mills in North India. So this boosts or encourages the development of sugar industry more in southern part of the country. The sugar factories of South India are located near the field. So the sugar factories, most of them are located near the field in South India. So the raw material, it reaches the factory fast and the loss of juice by evaporation is very less. So this is an added benefit for the development of this industry in South India. Now students, we will learn what are the problems faced by sugar industry in India. First, poor quality of sugarcane gives low yield per hectare and low sucrose content. Cost of production in India is one of the highest in world because high sugar cane cost. Uneconomic production process, inefficient technology and short crushing season. So these are the barriers again because of which sugar industry is facing huge problem in the country. The supply of raw material to sugar industry is irregular and there is no proper utilization of the byproducts like molasses and bagasse. So bagasse and molasses, they are not used properly and therefore the profit that can be earned by using these byproducts are lost. So let's look at the products and byproducts of sugar industry. So sugar is produced along with sugar, bagasse, molasses and pressed mud is also produced. Children, look at the picture. When sugar is extracted, after the extraction of the sugar, the whatever is left, the fibrous part of the sugar cane, that is called bagasse. Now children, you can see the molasses. So molasses can be used to make is added and this can be transformed into such product which boosts energy, good for anti-aging, makes bones stronger, prevents certain diseases. So this is an advertisement of a particular product and it is made up of the molasses are added in this. So even molasses are added to the fruit salad. It enhances the taste and also good for health. Children, this is press mud. It has several usage. So now students, the next topic is the centers of sugar industry in India. Alright, so the state is Uttar Pradesh. It has two belts in the western and the eastern part. Bihar, this is an extension of this sugar belt. So the sugar belt of Uttar Pradesh is extended up to Bihar. And its extension of the eastern UP belt. Apart from UP and Bihar, it has developed very much in Maharashtra. So the centers are Nasik, Pune, Satara, and few important centers as well they have integrated as cooperative sector, and therefore they have developed sugar factories and sugar is produced. You can see the map, students, main centers of sugar industry in India. So mostly in UP, Bihar, and also now in Maharashtra, and also parts of South India. Now students, some more centers are in Punjab. In Punjab, Pagwara and Dhuri on the eastern side, they are well developed centers of sugar industry. Apart from UP, Bihar, Maharashtra and Punjab, the fifth state is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. So all these states in India, they have developed gradually sugar industries. So students, that's all in this module. This was all about the sugar industry in India.